Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm on the Lower East Side, and I'm creating existing condition drawings of a penthouse apartment. I'm doing the floor plan, reflected ceiling plan, and electrical plan, and I'll show you around a little bit. This is the great room. Those are stairs up to a terrace, I guess you'd call it. This is front door with powder room to the left, closet. As we walk in, kitchen, and then here's the living quarters. We have a bath here, office here, baby's room here, and then this is master suite, the door into the master suite, walk-in closet, bathroom with tub and stand-up shower, and then master bed. So this is what I'm working on today. Just wanted to show you around. Thank you for viewing my video. And if you're ever in need of existing condition drawings, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Have a fantastic day.